My name is Deepak. I am the founder and CEO of CoreChamp Technologies Private Limited. We have started our company in 2019 to provide world-class STEM education in schools and to make learning fun and to enable students to do practical and experiments, and also to provide 21st century skills among the students. At CoreChamp, we design various STEM kits like robotic kits, breadboard kits, drone and other DIY kits, because CoreChamp is one-stop solution for everything STEMs that make learning a playful experience by enlightening young minds about new age tech while empowering them about 21st century skills so that they can excel in a tech-ruled future.
To carry out the business of STEM education, we design and manage various STEM and robotics lab across India, starting from scratch to its complete execution. The major part in this lab is our teachers training, students training to prepare them to participate in various national and state competitions. Till date, we have set up various labs across India. CoreChamp also have its in-house online learning management system in which a dedicated team of engineers help students to learn various online softwares for 3D designing, electronic circuits and coding on multiple platforms at their home only. We also provide job opportunities for various engineers to work with us in our R&D department and on-site multi-services like visit schools, colleges, etc., and also providing webinars to them. Our industrial training program gives opportunity to college students to work in high-end industries. In this training, they perform various hands-on activities on different platforms like drones, various electronic kits, etc. After the completion of this 6 months training program, they also get opportunity to work with us in CoreChamp. To increase our brand value, we are working with various channel partners across India. These channel partners help us to increase our reach in various regions across our country.